Coleman OneSource. Power your outdoor gear and devices with one interchangeable rechargeable battery system. Adjustable settings. Up to 1000 lumens, high, or 50 lumens, low, for customizable lighting. Beam distance of up to 12 meters, high, or 4 meters, low. Convenient features. Soft grip handle. Charging cord fits in base for compact storage. Lifetime LEDs never need replacing. IPX4 water resistance rating. Impact resistant up to 1 meter. Battery runtime. The fully charged 4800 mAh lithium-ion battery powers lantern up to 100 hours, low, or 2 hours, high. Charging time. 2 hours with quick charging station sold separately, or 2.4 amp USB output. 5 hours with 1 amp USB output. Top reviews from the United States. Best flashlight ever. This is easily the best flashlight I have ever used. The rechargeable battery is so nice, and the fact that you can charge your phone and other devices is so convenient. I use this flashlight as my portable phone charger now too. I just bought a second flashlight to keep in the car. The flashlight fits in your hand very well, and it doesn't weigh 20 pounds because there are 60 batteries in it. It has 2 brightness settings, and the brightest is as strong as a spotlight. I have never been so excited about a flashlight. I can't wait to try the other OneSource products, especially since the batteries are interchangeable. What a great idea!